If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello people, this is Jake, otherwise known as Mr. Announcer. I just wanted to bring you some news and update on how Larry is doing. I know a lot of you have been asking about how he's doing. He did kind of take a downfall starting last October, dropped off a little bit. He's not able to walk very comfortably anymore. We use the wheelchair inside the house. And then, of course, he had this little adventure going to the hospital. I'll let him tell you about that.
Hello, friends and neighbors, and this is Larry Baronis with Larry's Fountain Pens. I thought I'd get on here to fill you in what's going on about me. No, I'm not dead yet. Like I've been saying time after time, I've been experiencing a lot of health difficulties. And I'm sorry about the voice, but that's another part. So, John, Lois had to call the ambulance Friday, sorry. And explain to him why.
He was acting delirious and hallucinating. He was seeing things that weren't there.
So, I didn't remember any of it till I was in the ambulance and they were talking to me, put IVs in me, and they said, Larry, can you hear me? I said, yeah, what do you guys want? Well, you called an ambulance out there because you weren't responding. I said, okay, so where are we going? To the hospital. So that's where we headed, and what a ride it was. So we're here at Harris Hospital downtown. They did a very good job in the ER. There were 3 doctors, a student doctor that's almost through, and 2 nurses working on. As you can see in some of these pictures, I hope. Can they see that pretty good?
Let's see here. Yeah, right there.
Now that one to start was in my neck. A big old long needle. An IV was feeding certain medications to the heart and lungs. And what they discovered, and I don't even know how this happened, I come down with COVID, the flu,
and pneumonia. So, in some
some of the nurses up here said, I'm the first one they've ever met that had all three of them together. So what the doctor is saying that the COVID, especially this year, has been infecting a lot of people. A lot of people have been dying from it. And then on top of that, you caught pneumonia and the flu. And the flu is pretty deadly, they said, too. So you could just combine the pneumonia with the COVID. They are like a tag team. And then you can add the flu on top of that. So they've been feeding me a lot of IVs. Is it the bag up there?
Yeah, you still have, looks like one that's going.
So I've got this one and that one left. And this one's still here. But I think either day.
Well, yeah, I mean, he's been responding well to the treatment, but as you can tell, the breathing still isn't where it needs to be. He's having a lot of trouble with that, so they're monitoring that closely to see what they can do about it.
So that was fun. So what I have right now, they're saying the COVID, the flu, the pneumonia, the diabetes, the arthritis, the neuropathy, the breathing, and the lung mobility, and some memory loss. A lot of times I don't remember Jake's name or other people in the pen group. And I keep asking Jake, what's his name, or what's her name? There's not much to go on, but I'm very frustrated. In a lot of the pens I haven't been remembering the names and what they can and can't do and stuff like that.
Yeah, if anybody wants to buy a Sailor King of Pens, I can pass it off as a Jen Howell for you.
I thought that was mine.
Okay, sorry for the cutoff there. The memory chip on the card, camera card, was full, so it just stopped. So Larry wanted me to let you know that he's very thankful for your thoughts and prayers. He hasn't been on Facebook. His account got hacked, and they did some not nice stuff apparently because it got him banned from Facebook for a time period, but hopefully he will be back on that and active in the groups. He still does love pens, and he wants everybody to know that. He hasn't been able to do as much, but it hasn't left him yet. He's still writing letters and getting all those things done, hoping to come back and do some more videos after his health issues are resolved. So thank you very much for all your kind words and thoughts. It has been an adventure here. Of course, you see about the illnesses that he has. And, Alan was in a wreck with their car, and it got totaled. So now they have a VW Bug, which he likes very much. Well, it's a Beetle. And that's Missy telling me she wants food, I think. So, also, we wanted you to remember Lena in your prayers and thoughts. Her father passed away, and she's currently in Nepal helping her mother through that transition time. So, please think of her as well. Drop her a line, let her know that you're thinking of her. Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.